Assalamu alaikum students, I am Ahsan Abdullah Patel. I was discussing mensuration 3D in the previous video where we discussed cylinder. Now I am discussing cone. So basically we have two types of cones. One is circular cone and one is elliptical cone. Elliptical cone is not in our syllabus. So I am discussing the circular cone. So basically this is the cone. You can see that how does it look like. Once it look like a triangle to you, but it has a circular base, it has a slant surface, and it has some height as well. So it is the height, this is the slant surface. Okay, so in the diagram I can see the base with the circle, okay, the height and the slant surface. So basically small h is the perpendicular height of cone from the center of the base, while L is the slant height of the cone from the corner of the base to the tip to the vertex of the cone. This is also called vertex of the cone. Okay, so now drawing the net, we have two surfaces. One is the curved surface of the cone. This is the curved surface of the cone. Okay, this is the curved surface, while this is the base of the cone. So you can see the base of the cone is circular. So I have made a circle that is having a radius r. So the base area of the cone will be a circle, that is pi r square. Now for the curved area. So when I unroll a cone, you can see it is going to be, when I unrolling it, so now it is going to be a sector when I am unrolling it. Now you can see that it is going to be a sector. You can see that I am trying to make a sector. So finally I have unrolled the cone. So now you can see that this was the cone like this. This was the cone like this. So when I unroll it, it will become a sector of the circle, which I have discussed in 2D shapes. So it become a part of a circle in which this was the base of the cone, that was circle. So first of all, this arc length becomes the base of the circle, rather base of the cone. So this arc length becomes 2 pi r, that is the base of the cone, while this was your slant height. So this is now small l. So we know the area of sector has the formula half rs. So by using this formula, we will get the curved area of the cone, that will become 2 pi r l, because l is behaving for the radius of the sector, while 2 pi r is the arc length, total arc length, which was the base of the cone, in fact circle. So therefore we will get the curved area for the cone will be 2 pi r l. So now total area, surface area for the cone will be pi r square, that was the base of the cone, and the curved surface will be 2 pi r l. So whenever you are asked about the curved surface area only, so you will use only this formula 2 pi r l. Remember one thing, because it is a right triangle, so Pythagoras theorem can be followed by using base square plus perpendicular square is equals to hypotenuse square. If radius and height is known, you may get the length of the slant, because it is necessary to be found out, because it is used in this formula. While the volume for the cone is very easy, 1/3 pi r square h. So we can clearly see that if two shapes has same volume like cylinder and circle, so 3 cones will be equal to 1 cylinder. So volume contained by one cylinder can be contained in 3 cones. Okay, so this was all about the cone. uh, in questions you may see hollow cone. So hollow cone will be solved like the this. So I think you have understood, and I think so these were all the problems I have to discuss with you. So I hope so you have understood it well, and I am looking forward to teach you sphere and hemisphere in the next videos. Thank you so much for your kind support. Allah Hafiz.